Hiya, I'm Rebecca from Redcar. I've been doing property since June 2019 and I did Steve Green's 3-day training in October 2018, and since then I've built up a portfolio of around £3 million. So before I did Steve Green's course, I was working as a chemist over at Wilton site, and I was a student doing a chemical engineering degree. I'd just become a first-time buyer and I had no money. I was in 24 grand's worth of debt from renovating my own house, and to be honest, I hated renovating my own house that much. I thought I'd never renovate a property ever again. The 3-day training for me was really life-changing. I'd never done any sort of mindset stuff before, so it was really like opening a new door for me. The property stuff, again, like I say, I wasn't really that interested in it, but I picked up the numbers pretty well and then signed up for Elite there and then on the 3-day course. So after actually the 3-day, I got my first property offer accepted within about 2 weeks, and then following on I got another 5-bed HMO with Alan Graham accepted in the January 2019. Then I went on and did Elite, and then things absolutely just snowballed. I had more houses than I could even actually afford to buy, so I had to give stuff away to other people in the group because I was absolutely inundated with them, and yeah, it hasn't stopped since then. Probably my mindset's changed the most, and I'm more focused and I'm much more business orientated. I've left work full time now, so I'm a full-time property investor. So this is a property I've had for a while, but I was waiting for the council to sign it off. They've now signed it off and I've got a 5-week deadline to renovate the whole thing. The Middlesbrough Council have given me a grant for £32,000 towards the renovation, and they're going to take the property off my hands for 5 years and give me 87% of the rent.